Why do some EV owners say you shouldn't charge beyond 80%? And does hitting 100% actually hurt your battery? Today we're diving into the real science behind EV charging habits. Whether you drive a Tesla, a BYD, or any other electric vehicle, understanding the difference between NMC and LFP batteries could be the key to maximizing your car's lifespan and performance. So, are you ready to uncover the secrets of EV charging?
Yes?
Just a quick question, sorry.
Go ahead, ask away.
Why shouldn't we charge an electric vehicle beyond 80%?
Who said you can't?
Wait a second, so I can charge it to 100%?
Absolutely. Especially with LFP batteries like those found in all BYD and Toyota electric vehicles, it's actually recommended to charge them to 100% every once in a while to recalibrate the BMS, battery management system, and get a more accurate SOH, state of health reading.
Engineer Abdelrahman,
Yes?
I don't understand anything.
Okay, focus with me. There are different types of EV batteries, and the most common ones are NMC and LFP. Are you with me so far?
Yes.
For the first type, NMC, as shown in the curve, the battery voltage increases as the charge level increases. So it's generally not recommended to keep the vehicle at 100% charge for a prolonged time because this stresses the battery and shortens its lifespan. Ideally, don't store an NMC battery at full charge. Also, since the NMC battery voltage drops as the charge level decreases, the best acceleration and performance are typically when the battery is fully charged.
And the LFP?
Unlike NMC, LFP batteries maintain almost constant voltage from 10% up to 90% or even 95%. So a 95% charge is the same as 50% or 20% in terms of voltage stress. Therefore, the car's acceleration and performance remain consistent regardless of the charge level. And it's recommended to reach 100% periodically so that the BMS can properly assess the battery's SOH.
That's very interesting.
But why do EV manufacturers typically advertise charging times only up to 80% and not 100%? For instance, they'll say it charges from 0 to 80% in half an hour. Why not all the way to 100%? That's something we'll explain next week, God willing.